Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is a quick tutorial on how to achieve this beautiful simple design. I am going to first apologize for being so inconsistent with my videos. I am so sorry, but the salon and everything has kept me busy, and that's not a bad thing, but you guys know I'm going to always be posting videos. It's just kind of be patient with me. And before I show you guys how to achieve this, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the whole entire design. There's not going to be a fill only because she already had the fill done. She just did white and didn't feel like she wanted just white, I guess, so she just wanted me to change it. And I'm removing it with a medium size carbide bit. I love this one only because it just removes it so much easier, and I do have the speed on a kind of like a high speed, not so much, just so it can be less pressure onto the nail. And then right here I'm just shaping the nail, and this is just reshaping it because after a while the nail does tend to lose its shape, so I'm just gonna go ahead and reshape it. And guys, I do just want to enforce the shaping. Just take your time. You know, I feel like the nail shape makes or breaks the nail, besides the foundation, in the sense that it, you know, a lot of people like how people shape nails. They're, you know, it looks really nice when the shape is like wow. At least that's what I like. You know, a lot of people, I guess it's different, but it's nice to have a really nice shape. And I'm just using a 100-180 grit file for this one, and just kind of doing a coffinish look because she doesn't like it too narrow. She actually always, she's like, no, they're already too narrow, and I'm like, no, they're not. So always kind of just look at all angles of the nail. I see it this way, and then I flip her hand over kind of to give it a view of what she's looking at, and then I just, you know, always just look at different angles of the nail so I can make sure that it's not crooked, because when I turn it around it's a different view. So just, you know, pay attention to the little things like that. And the way I measure the length of it is by the cuticle area to see if they're all even. And then after that I go ahead and basically just perfect the shape from the surface, because after the drill normally it tends to leave ridges, and that's just kind of helping me remove those ridges, and always just touching the surface to make sure it's smooth. While I'm doing this, since you guys already know what, you know, it's pretty much basic, I do want to announce that I'm super excited. I'm planning to do a seminar in February, and I'm not exactly sure of the date yet, but I'm sure it's going to be in February. I will be putting everything, you know, obviously I'll let you guys know, whether it's on social media or on YouTube, but I'm going to be doing one in February, so look out for that. And I started cutting cuticle, guys. One of the girls taught me how to do it, and I'm still learning, but I love it. It's like such a satisfying feeling cutting the cuticle. It's so weird, but I love the way it looks. It makes everything look so much neater and cleaner. And just be very careful. This is actually a size 12 jaw, and I like working with a size 12. Just make sure your nippers are very sharp, not so sharp to the point where you can cut your client, but just so it can remove them easier. And that's how they look after being shaped and clean. I had her wash her hands, and then I'm applying this beautiful Seasoned Beige by D&D, and this is going to be applied on all the nails except the ring finger. This is just one coat. I'm trying my best to not use the French brush to clean it on the edges, just because I want to improve my gel polish application. So it's still being used. I still use it. It's just I'm trying to reduce the use of it, just so it can be much cleaner and neater without it. I applied Paloma on the ring finger because I'm going to be applying fairy dust, and I love the way it looks. So this is the second coat of Seasoned Beige. I love this color. It's like a beautiful milky, almost pastel nude. It's really nice. And I will put everything in the description below. That way you guys can go ahead and know exactly what I used, and if you guys want to purchase the fairy dust, you guys can know where to go. I have more videos I have to just edit, guys. I'm so sorry. It's just been crazy lately, and you know, editing is the process, so just bear with me. I'm using this Aurora fairy dust by Daily Charm. This fairy dust, it is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It's just so thin and very fine that I love the way it blends into this. I didn't take off the tacky layer. I actually used that as an advantage too for it to stick. Look at this beautiful fairy dust. So pretty. And then on the other ones, I did remove the tacky layer just because I'm going to be using different stuff on top of them. And that was just with alcohol, or you can use acetone. I'm applying the gel, well, it's actually glue foil for the foil, and just letting it dry so I can apply it. This beautiful rose gold, I believe I got it from, if it's not Ocean Nail Supply, I would make sure and double check, but I'm pretty sure it's from there. It's a rose gold foil. I will go ahead and put everything on the description below, and I just kind of dab it on all of them. Well, the middle finger. Not a specific way, just however your preference is. And I'm going to be applying crystals on the index finger. I did buy these crystals at Ocean Nail Supply. These are so pretty. I did end up changing it to a different one because she didn't like the way this one looked. It was a little too big for her, but we ended up putting a rounded one. I will put the sizes on the description, but I believe it's a size 12, a size 7, and a size 5. And I did upgrade to a different pencil. It's not a crayon anymore. My friend gave me a wax pencil, but the crayon is still in my box and I still use it sometimes. And I did glue all this with the gels, Mia Secret gel resin. And as me doing that, what I just did is basically just making sure that they're all even and in the middle. And I'm applying this gel activator, which is basically drying the glue. I don't like it only because the top coat did crack with it, but I might be using it wrong. Then I'm applying the Kiera Sky Gel Tack Free Top Coat on all the nails, since I do use a different top coat. The same top coat, just a different bottle for the fairy dust and the foil one. That's why you see me changing the bottles or waiting till the end to do it. And this is to be cured for 60 seconds in the LED lamp. And this is the final result, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you all so much for your patience. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.